Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you. I am really sorry. And ignore the rest. Okay, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. Okay. So the current energy for Scorpio is Page of Swords, and the current energy for Scorpio's partner is, oh my god, Nine of Cups. Okay. So Scorpio, this is your current energy. Scorpio, with this card, it seems like you are being someone who wants to take an immediate action towards something. Okay, you have done your homework, you have this sword ready in your hand. That means it is showing that you don't want to waste a minute of your life. Okay, the moment this thing is coming towards you, you are going to take an action like this. Okay, wind is blowing. Okay, your sword is ready in your hand, and it seems like some new change is coming towards you, something is coming towards you. Okay, and you are being someone who don't want to miss this chance. All right, this chance could be related to your new job, this could be related to this relationship of yours, this card could be related to your finances, your career, your goal. Okay, anything could be happen, but whatever the case it is, it's basically the bottom line is that you are ready with your own thing. You have done your homework and you are ready to take action. On the other hand, we have Nine of Cups card. This is your partner's energy. Okay. Scorpio, with this Nine of Cups card, it seems like your person is being somebody who is very calm yet very passionate. Okay, and that is completely towards you. This person doesn't have any other hidden agenda within them. Okay, this person has already closed their heart for every other proposal, every other person. Okay, perhaps people are chasing them like anything, that they want to be with them, they want to spend time with them, they just want to give their emotions to this person. But your person is being very strict. Your person is being, not, I won't call it strict, but this person has a clear agenda in his life that, hey, I don't want any other person, I want my Scorpio person. If he or she is not ready, I'll wait for them. Okay, so this is their current energy. All right, now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship for Scorpio. What is the current situation of this relationship for Scorpio? Possibility. There is a lot of, and I would say a huge opportunity for you in this relationship. And I'm not talking about from your perspective only, but from your partner's perspective too. There is a huge possibilities for you to grow this relationship on next level, to take this relationship on next level. And the way eagle flies alone on the above the clouds, you are being someone who is going to experience the world's best relationship in your life. Okay, perhaps this is the time you are feeling that, oh my god, what am I doing with this person? Okay, how will this thing will take place, how our relationship is going to take shape in future? But you need not to worry at all, because you need to see the larger picture of this relationship. Don't get confused with small distractions. Okay, do not get confused with small distraction. All right, because you have huge opportunities ahead in this relationship. Okay, now I'm going to pick 3 cards for you. Okay, to see what they think about you, what they are doing right now, and what is their future plans. Healing. Okay, the Fool. Flowering. Okay, so with this healing card, Scorpio, your person feels about you that you are someone who work as a healer. Okay, healer as in you don't have any particular degree or diploma or certificate about healing course or and all that, but you have that potential to heal people with your words, with your kind gesture, with your compassion. All right, so they see you as somebody, whoever comes into your radar, or whoever comes in your connection, that person feels good. Okay, you have that healing aura within you. Okay, that's why you are someone who is loved by a lot of people. Okay, people adore you, people love you, people respect you, people look up to you when they required any kind of support and help. All right, with this Fool card, I would say that this person is doing nothing as of now, because this person is taking their own time, or perhaps they just want to take a leap of faith. Perhaps they have done their R&D. Okay, they must have done their research about you or research about relationship, and perhaps they are someone who is being very confused. Okay, they don't want to think about anything. And yes, it seems like they are just waiting, they are just taking leap of faith with you in this relationship, or they want to take a leap of faith in this relationship. Perhaps they are surrounded by a lot of people who must discourage them, that hey, why are you thinking about them, or why are you thinking about this relationship itself. But they are being someone who is believing in you, who is believing in God, and who just want to take a leap of faith. All right, it seems like they are planning to start something new. Okay, now let's come to the future card, what their future plans are. So with this Flowering card, it seems like they are definitely going to take a step towards you. They are definitely going to give you the best to best thing, or best to best time of the world. Okay, the the way this lady is sitting on the lotus flower, it means whenever you guys are going to meet, whenever you are going to be together with each other, your union is going to create abundance, harmony, and prosperity in your life. All right, and after seeing this card, I am 100% sure that they will definitely going to take some solid steps towards you. All right. Okay, so Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Swords. Okay, some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this possibilities card. Some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 9 of Cups, the healing card. Okay, and we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign in this reading with this Flowering card. So Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.